Hey guys, it's Russia and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a what I eat in a day, staying home, quarantine, trying to stay healthy. So if you guys want to see that, keep on watching. When I started eating my breakfast, I realized that I really didn't want that muffin anymore, and I put it back, and I'm gonna make some oatmeal now. So I'm gonna make blueberry oatmeal, and I'll show you guys how I do that. So for my oatmeal, it's really simple. I use the Quaker Oats 1-minute oats because they're super quick. You eat them fast. I use my coconut sugar. I have my almond milk, some blueberries, some frozen blueberries. I like to use those because they're super easy. You can just like throw them in and they get warmed up by the hot oatmeal. And then I put in some cinnamon. As you guys can see, these are frozen blueberries on top of hot oatmeal. I really like to do this because it shows you that you really don't need to always buy fresh fruit in order to get your fruit in for the day. You can always use frozen fruit as well, especially during this time when we're really ordered to like stay in our house, try to avoid going places if you don't really need to. If you have a lot of frozen fruit on deck, you can literally just throw all of your frozen fruit into your oatmeal and you can get it warmed up from the heat of the bowl and the heat of the oatmeal. And I really just love making this because it's super quick, super simple, and you get in your fruit serving of the day. So it's about 2 o'clock and I have class at 3:30. So I wanted to make lunch and eat it before then. So I'm going to be making a quick little salad. I'm going to be using spinach as my base. My protein is going to be salmon. I have a little mini cucumber and I'm going to pretty much use all of it. A little bit of red onion, some guac that I had left over, and then I'm going to use balsamic vinaigrette as my dressings. Okay guys, so this is my salad. So this is the bowl. I like don't fill it up all the way just because I just feel like it's just too much food. But this should fill me up during my class, and then I'm gonna use my balsamic vinaigrette on top. Hey guys, I'm in class right now and I'm eating a muffin. It's actually a 3-hour class, so we have like a little 15-20 minute break before we like restart the class, just to give us a little bit of a break because 3-hour classes on Zoom is like a really long, like it's just annoying. Like nobody really wants to be in a 3-hour class on Zoom, so we get a little break just to like eat, walk around, do whatever you want. So yeah, I'm eating this muffin and that's my like second snack for the day. It's dinner time now and I am having some linguine with clam sauce and some Parmesan on top, and then I'm drinking a pear leaf, and I will probably have a dessert after, some sort of ice cream or cookies. I just love dessert and I love having something sweet after a meal, so yep. If you have never had cookie butter ice cream, you are missing out on life. It is so good. I put it in this red Solo cup because I don't want to wash any dishes, but yeah, it's amazing.